Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Bellevue Auto Spa, and today we're going to be covering Armour Detail Supply's Shampoo Plus. Now, I have covered this product technically in my previous video about the Corvette, and that's a full detail ceramic coating on a Corvette using other products. But I just want to focus on one product for this video, just to give it a showcase. So, Armour Detail Supply Shampoo Plus. This is a close to pH neutral. It's about a pH of like 7.5 or 8. Car shampoo, and it foams great, smells great, works great. It's made for maintenance on their ceramic coated vehicles using their ceramic coatings. I'm going to be using it on a ceramic coated car. It's coated with Ryan West Industries 7H. It's my wife's car. It's really dirty. It's been through like 5 rainstorms. Just haven't gotten a chance to wash it because it's been raining nonstop. We finally got some nice weather. It was a little hot, but we'll deal with it. So we're gonna wash it. So like I said, this is about $17.99 on their website. They have free shipping over $99, armourdetailsupply.com, and you can use my discount code in the description to get yourself 10% off your purchase. So definitely check them out. A little history on the company. This was started by 2 guys, DJ Mayo, who runs DMV Armour, oh crap. I think DMV Auto Armor, Jesus. DMV Auto Armor is what he runs. And he's got a history in chemical manufacturing. He used to make chemicals and sell them before he got into detailing. And then the other person that runs the company is Bradley Nielsen. He runs Naples Auto Armor in Florida. And they both got really nice shops. Tons of years of experience between them. They've coated hundreds of cars between them. So they came out with their own brand. So what's nice about this brand is it started by professional detailers. It's not some marketing. It's not a YouTube personality. Not that there's anything wrong with those guys, but these aren't YouTube guys. These are guys that just detail day in, day out. They got a real passion for their products. As you can see, really nice labeling, really nice bottles. They went all out. And really they're not losing money on the sale, but they could have gone cheaper to get a higher profit margin. With cheaper looking bottles, labels, sprayers, but they didn't. They went all out. So definitely some nice attention to detail. I mean, a brand created by detailers that you expect, right? So their Shampoo Plus, here's the instructions in the back. So I got a little bit of drippage down last time I used it. But basically this is 1 to 3 ounces in a foam cannon and 1 to 2 ounces in a bucket. So we're gonna do foam cannon and bucket. Last video of the Corvette I used the MJJC. This time I'm going to use this see-through foam cannon. It's a lot cheaper. This thing's like 20 bucks. Works great. I got a 1.1 millimeter orifice in it for my foam cannon, and I'm actually going to measure it this time. So I'm going to grab my measuring cups. So I got 500 milliliters, about half a foam cannon, so I need about 1.5 ounces. So 1 full thing of this is 1 ounce. And I like this shampoo. It's not super thick. It's a little runny, which means it doesn't stick to everything and it blends into the water well. That's my preferred type of shampoo. A bit more. There you go. And if you go a little bit over, it's really not a big deal. But there we go, got that in there. And look, it's already blending into the water without me even shaking it up. There we go, it's all mixed in. Crank this up to max foamage. Let's go take a look at the car we're going to be cleaning and just check out the state of it, because it's really dirty. So again, this is my wife's car. Let me get out in the light a little bit here. You can see how freaking dirty this thing is. Filthy. Filthy, filthy. Bird droppings in the hood. But yeah, this is ceramic coated, so it's going to clean up really easily. That's what I love about ceramic coatings. Windshield. Everything's super dirty. She's inside sleeping right now, so we're going to clean it up for her and make it look nice. So let's get the foam cannon pressure washer set up, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, here we go. Since I'm on YouTube, you gotta do the flip. That's what they do, I guess. Let's see how this foam looks. Look at that. Shaving cream. That's with a cheap foam cannon. I don't even have my pressure washer is 1.2 GPM. It is 1900 PSI, but you see it dropping off like that. Super thick. It smells great. I don't know what to describe the scent as. What I've been saying about a lot of their products, they remind me of like the scents of beauty products. It's very subtle but pleasant, not overpowering. And they did that intentionally, and I'm glad they did, because I like the subtle scents. I don't like the overpowering scents. But I'm going to foam this whole thing up. I'm going to let it dwell, and then we'll come back and rinse it off and see its cleaning ability and how it rinses off. Alright, we got it foamed down. It's been dwelling for a little bit, so let's get it rinsed off. And we'll see how just the foaming has cleaned. Now, I don't expect it to be touchless. It's not intended to be touchless. I just want to see what it does to the existing stuff before you go in for a contact wash. Alright, so I'm not going to do the whole vehicle on camera, but it rinses free very easily. I really like that. That's a big plus. The only foams that I like to cling to be a little more difficult rinsing off are dedicated snow foams for pre-washing. This is not a dedicated pre-wash. This is just a car shampoo. So I want it to rinse easily because I don't want to spend all day there trying to get all the residue off. The reason I don't mind snow foams when they cling is because you're going in for a contact wash after anyways. And then your regular shampoo should rinse free easily, which this does. So big plus there. Really like that. Let's see if we can see through the water. Yeah, kind of. I'd say it did a pretty good job. Like here you can still see, obviously there's residue. This is like one of the worst areas. But it looks a lot better. All the stuff up here is no longer easily visible. Car's not clean, obviously. It's still dirty, especially these lower panels, but its pre-wash cleaning power is pretty good. So I'm pretty impressed by that. Next we're going to test it out. We're going to put it in the wash bucket over there. We're going to just judge it, see how it feels using it in the wash mitt. Alright, so we're here at the wash bucket. These are 3.5 gallon wash buckets, not 5 gallon wash buckets, but most people don't fill their 5 gallon wash buckets to capacity anyway, so it says 1 to 2 ounces. So we'll do 2 ounces. Just because, I mean, me personally, I've got so many products that I don't mind using it. I've got so much stuff here, but if obviously you're not in my situation, use it according to however you feel the need to, because this isn't cheap, obviously. But I'm really liking this stuff so far. That's an SPTA wash mitt, in case you were wondering. It's like $9 or $10. Pretty nice. And then I've got all my microfibers over here soaking in rags to riches. But that's how you fill it up in the bucket. Let's wash the back of this car and see how the experience is. So real quick again, now that it's drying more, you can see it's pretty dirty. That's supposed to be black. This is a black car. Okay, it's black with, interestingly, it's got blue metal flake. But yeah, let's get this thing cleaned up. Look at all that dirt picked up. That's supposed to be white. It's kind of hard to see. But turn the white fibers gray. Throw that in the rinse bucket, and we'll rinse this off. It is very slick, very easy to use. I wasn't applying any pressure other than enough pressure to hold the towel or hold the mitt to the surface. So you don't need to press down. You don't need to scrub. We got that beautiful water beading from the ceramic coated surface. Everything is nice and squeaky clean again. So yeah, great shampoo. I mean, this is my second time using it, and it's perfect. Honestly, I've got no complaints about it. There's nothing I can think of bad about it, only good thoughts. So let's go back over to the table for our final thoughts. Alright, so Armour Detail Supply's Shampoo Plus is awesome. This is probably going to be one of my favorite shampoos, and I would even say this is as good as CarPro Reset. It's not an overpowering scent. It is a nice thin consistency, mixes in well, rinses free easily, cleans very well. I think the only thing that Reset has this beat on is how concentrated it is, but that's not that big of a deal. CarPro is much bigger company than Armour Detail Supply, obviously. But I don't think they're trying to compete with CarPro, not directly anyways. They're trying to get into the market. These are great products, guys. And then after you're done washing your car, you can use Amplify as a drying aid. That's what I plan on using after I'm done with this. And yeah, everything's been great so far. I expected everything was going to be good. Everything has been very good. Even the Tire Plus conditioner. I used all these products in my video on the Corvette again, so you can check that out. But the Tire Plus conditioner, or Tire Shine, whatever you want to call it, looks really great as well. I can even show you. I still got the Corvette here. He hasn't picked it up yet. It's got that nice satin finish, not glossy, not flat, but really good stuff. So DJ, Bradley, thanks again for sending me this stuff. I really appreciate it. The rest of you guys, definitely head over to their website, get yourself 10% off, and pick some of this stuff up. Definitely worth the money. That's all I got for you guys in this video. Leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Give the video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Other than that, I'll see you all in the next video. Keep them clean. Have a good one.